morning students, welcome to the class 11. Now this year you know very well you have these main three subjects. So science will be classified into main three subjects here: physics, chemistry and biology. Up to class 10 you only studied science subject, and inside the science subject you have some part of chemistry, some part of physics and some part of biology. But here this science subject will be classified when you selecting the science stream. So that time the science subject are classified into three major subject like physics, chemistry and biology, and each subject weightage will be 100 marks. Okay, so welcome in the class 11 science. Okay, good morning to all of you. Now this year the class 11th chemistry you having a total 14 unit. That is the day before yesterday I will share you a syllabus of this class 11 chemistry. Okay, and you know this which chapter will be there. So the first chapter is some basic concept of chemistry. First chapter is some basic concept of chemistry. Okay, and you know very well the definition of chemistry. Class 9th onward you have to study the some part of chemistry, and you know very well you are familiar with the chemistry also. Okay, so the chemistry is defined as the branch of science which deals with the study of chemical composition, its nature, its properties, okay, and its phenomena. So this is some basic part here, but always remember the class 11 chemistry is completely based on class 9. You already studied the class 9 chemistry. Okay, so in the class 9th chemistry and this class 11 chemistry, they are related with each other, and class 10th chemistry and class 12th chemistry is also related with each other. Understood? So here we have to start these laws of chemical combination. First of all, we start the laws of chemical combination. Laws of chemical. This all already studied in the class 9 first chapter, atoms and molecules. Okay, so here is also some laws is there. That time only the two laws will be there. One is laws of chemical combination, law of conservation of mass, and law of constant proportions. Here some law. So laws of chemical combination, having some laws. First we discuss the law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass. Can anyone tell me law of conservation of mass? Law of conservation of mass, it was discovered by Anthony Lavoisier in 1774. And it stated as the mass of reactant. The law of conservation of mass was discovered by was stated that, listen carefully, the mass of reactant is equal to the mass of products in the chemical reaction. That is, the mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. Is called as the law of conservation of mass. So now the statement is the mass of reactant reactant in bracket LHS, you know the meaning of LHS, left hand side, is equal to the mass of product, that is RHS. RHS means mass can neither be created nor be destroyed during chemical reaction. Okay, now just one example here we discuss. In this example, decomposition of calcium carbonates. Decomposition of calcium carbonate. Which decomposition? Thermal decomposition. You already studied here in class 10th also. Thermal decomposition of calcium carbonate to get which compounds? Calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So the reaction will be CaCO3. When it is heated, you will get CaO and CO2. COA and CO2. So the mass of 1 mole of CaCO3 कितना होगा? What is the mass of CaCO3? Here calcium is 40, carbon 12, oxygen is 16. We have to write the atomic mass. Okay, so when you are added with each other, so 40 plus 12 plus 48, you will get 100 here. It is the molar mass of the calcium carbonate. So mass of 1 mole of calcium carbonate is 100 gram. Mass of CaO is 56. You know how it is 56? 40 plus 60. And the mass of CO2 will be 44. How is it 44? 12 plus 16 into 2. So 12 plus 32, you will get 44. 44 is the molar mass of CO2. So this is 100 gram. Mass of CaCO3 100 gram. Mass of calcium oxide 56 gram. And mass of CO2 is 44 gram. So here the mass of reactant, which one is reactant? CaCO3 will be 100 gram, and mass of product 56 plus 44, that is again 100 gram. So during this reaction, mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. So this is a law of conservation of mass, and it was discovered by Anthony Lavoisier. And now this is a very simple mass. Already we discussed in the class 9th here. Then now we take one examples on the basis of law of conservation of mass. Here 4 gram of NaOH mixed with 16.2 gram of HCl to get 10.5 gram of NaCl. Calculate the mass of water. Calculate the mass of water. Okay. Now, listen. Here it is also based on law of conservation of mass. So now the just reaction is there. HCl plus NaOH to get NaCl plus water. This is simple neutralization reaction. They are already studied with in the class 10. You know the mass of HCl is 16.2, mass of NaOH is 4, mass of NaCl is 10.5, mass of water will be X. Mass of water will be X. Understood? So first of all, mass of reactant is 16.2 plus 4, it will be 20. And mass of product is 10.5 plus X. So here the mass of water, that is X, is equal to 20.2 minus 10.5 minus 10.5 कितना आएगा 9.7 ग्राम आएगा 9.7 ग्राम. So this is the mass of water, and it obey a law of conservation of mass. Understood? Okay. Then another one example. Just a minute. Here 6.8 gram of silver nitrate mixed with 14.2 gram of sodium chlorides to get 13.7 gram of silver chlorides. Calculate the mass of sodium nitrate. Calculate the mass of sodium nitrate. Again it is reaction is there. Which reaction? Silver nitrate plus sodium chlorides. You will get silver chlorides and sodium nitrate. So silver nitrate is 6.8, sodium chlorides 14.2, silver chloride is 13.7, sodium nitrate X. Again it is same. Mass of reactant will be 6.8 plus 14.2. How much it is? बोलिए 21 grams. Okay. Then mass of, because this is a reactant, this one is reactant and this one are products. So mass of product will be 13.7 plus X. So the mass of mass of NaNO3, that is X, equal to क्या होगा 21 minus 13.7. कितना आएगा आंसर? It will be 7.3 grams. Understood? So this is a very simple questions. Okay, understood it? This is the law of conservation of mass.